Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So if, as an end user, if you are working in any particular module or any particular function and you don't want to go into the homepage, but directly you want to, it has to take into that particular feature. Then you can select that from the start page. From the settings. OK. And here this is the Start tab and this is the Sub-tab configuration. You can see Form, Compensation Review, Budget Approval. All these are Sub-tab. Now you can see in the Sub-tab also. It is first of all redirecting to the form right. It is redirecting to the form. If you want, it should redirect to the Compensation Review. That also, it is possible. So for that again I will go into the settings here. And you can see we have taken here as a compensation. So in Sub-tab, you can see compensation I have taken as a form. So if I want something as a budget assignment. OK. And I'm just saving it. I hope it is saved. Saved successful. Again log out. OK. Again, I'm just logging here. Now you can see it is redirecting to the budget assignment under the Sub-tab. Got it. OK. Whenever you do some changes, always keep as a best practice that after doing the changes, you are doing the testing. I have done the changes. I have done the test. After testing, I will change it back to normal. How the system was actually. OK. If it is a habit, whenever or when we are going ahead, I'm keeping it form. And here in the Start page, I will keep it as Home. OK. And I will save it. OK. I will log it out. And I will log in. OK. Now you can see it is back to the home page. Again. I go back into the settings, because we were discussing the settings. So password we have completed. Start page also. Sub-tab also coming to the notification. Let's discuss on the notification and let's try to understand from your end. What are the type of notification any HR, any person in an organization, used to get? Any organization when they are going for the vertical. Any sort of notification for any employee when they are receiving any employee. The notification. What are the general notifications which they are getting? One notification is the password right. Instead of the password. Right. This you will be. Every employee will be getting. Okay. That is one notification. What are the other notification? It will be getting. The other notification. It is something which is related to vertical. You have a performance of a like analyze basis. You will be setting up the goal. The starting of the year. So you will be getting automated mail that from an individual point. You have to set up the goal. And after setting up the goal, then you have to setting up the goal. You have to coordinate with your line manager. And with the coordination with the line manager, you have to finalize your goal. So there is a timeline. So that is also a notification. Even for the manager also. They will be getting a notification that they have to finalize the goals which has been set and it has to be freezed. That is the notification. Other notification, like in term of goal and performance, only on an annualized basis. They will be getting a notification. So further on an annualized basis. Once the performance review. Once the on an annual basis. You will be getting a notification that the performance review has to be self-assessed. Self-assessment has to be completed from the employee side. And also it has to be completed from the manager side also. So that is also a notification. There are certain employees who are on a contractual basis. So once the contract is coming to an end, they will be getting a notification that the contract is coming to an end. And according to that, what you call HR and the manager. They will be getting a what you call a communication note. That the contract has to be extended. Or the contract has to be closed. For these employees. Okay. So that is also one of the notification. Even for your this one, what you call. This investment declaration. In the company. That also a notification you will get right. So submit your investment declaration. For the tax. For the income tax. Right. You will be getting a communication email. These are some of the general notification which we are trying to discuss. So when an employee is getting this notification. The employee is getting this notification. By. You want this notification by email or you want notification in the system. That is one thing. So this is the end user part which the notification is being. Then we are getting that notification. Okay. But how this notification is being configured? That is stored in the configuration, that is stored in the admin center page. That is more important from a consultant point of view. Okay. So we will duplicate the screen. And I will go to the admin center page. And I will go to the tools here. OK. And then I am just scrolling down. Here can you see the email notification template setting? Can we see the email notification template setting here? At the top, at the admin center. OK. So this is the place where all the notifications, standard notifications, are placed. So when I click on here, OK. So these are the notifications. Can you see here? So in the left side you can able to go and see all the standard notifications are there, which is already prescribed by SAP. This is by default by SAP.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.